Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well and trust you're having a good day so far. It is Thirsty Thursday, April 10th, 9:28, 2 minutes to the open. This is the daily frame, guys. NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. We basically have three inside days here, guys, on the NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. Inside of that gigantic, massive snapback bullish candle yesterday, almost never seen through history. And now we have bearish bodies coming into the open here, guys. As I mentioned to my group this morning, we are still very much in a correction here in the stock market with an impulse wave down, corrective, impulse, corrective. Just that this corrective happened in one day instead of 5, 6, 7, or 10 days that we would normally see. And this is not an unusual area to get back to, right in through here and so on, and then potentially continue to sell down again. We don't know that. We'll let the market decide that and tell us. But I'll be watching very closely for some clues here on the open. For those who missed it yesterday, guys, this is my new trading grid. I used to have my daily up in the corner here and then 30-minute below. This is still the daily 30 and 1, but now it reads from left to right in sequence and symmetrical layout. I have my 1-minute window a little bit bigger than these two just because this is where my markers go and the execution happens. But this is actually the least important time frame for me. The big story comes from the daily and the 30, and then I execute here with surgical precision, at least hopefully with surgical precision. Sometimes I get lucky and sometimes I don't, but that's the deal here, guys. We are open, as you can see. Let's go back to the two sisters. Nothing has changed here. I still use this grid as well for alignment, synchronicity, divergence, and relative strength, relative weakness, and things of that nature. 1 minute open range, guys. I will bring you back in a moment. And the 1 minute candle is done, guys. We have a 69-point range for the NASDAQ and about 17 points for the S&P, give or take. Nothing for me to do here. I'm going to watch this thing. You can see that on the 30-minute chart here. Let me just expand that, shall I? 30-minute chart, we've been meandering down from the open of Asia and down. So impulse, corrective, and impulsing down here. See that there? And just sitting here at this kind of a minor zone from the UK, but a very major zone from the New York session where that massive rally continued here in the afternoon, guys. This is the 3 o'clock candle, power hour. I will be super patient here on the open, guys. And for those who missed it yesterday, this is an oscillator that is just a placeholder. Really just an indicator for you to use whatever you choose. RSI, MACD, ATR, Chan momentum, rate of change, unbalanced volume. You do whatever you wish here. This is just to show you that this is where it goes. Of course, I think everybody knows that. I don't personally use oscillators very much. Keep things very, very simple. Barcoding a bit here on the 1 minute chart, guys. Just watching here, guys. Nothing to do. Very lackluster. Just made a little marginal new low here on the NASDAQ. In fact, it's being led by the S&P, but nothing convincing here yet, that's for sure. All right, guys, we're back. And you can see that we have pulled all the way back up into the open range. The 9 is still below the 21. For me, things could get interesting if we fold back down here and then break into a new low. I would certainly consider a short under those circumstances. I'll just put a marker here for now just to show you my intention, but that's only if prices really do fail to make a new high here. If we make a new session high, then that idea is dead in the water. Lots of uncertainty here, guys. I'll just leave that there for now. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ, first trade of the day. And now it's the waiting game. And target 1 has been hit, guys. And so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits. And the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. Now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. And target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game as well. All right, guys, we're back. And as we wait for this thing to play out, if there's any question or any doubt why I'm short, it's because we are still very much in a bear market, essentially. Certainly a corrective phase, impulse, corrective in one day, and now folding down in line with the overall vulnerability and bear market feel of the daily chart and the big picture from a fundamental as well as a technical standpoint. Break down below, guys, into a very clean traffic range. This, of course, is from the clean traffic historical run-up of yesterday. Smooth sailing. It wasn't that smooth. It took a while for things to play out here. Lots of buyers coming in here thinking that the bottom might be in and trying to get some what they think are bargains as we fold over and then continue to move lower. The lower we move, the more those longs begin to unwind again, and selling pressure begets more selling pressure. And so I think we'll have no problem hitting this 2R target in short order. And there it is, guys. All four models fully profitable. Had to be very patient. It's now 11:58, 2 minutes away from the start of Twilight Zone. I hope you have an amazing afternoon. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you. Talk soon.